welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're doing a LED low beam install on my BMW E90. This is just to change the color of the lights from the ugly yellow lights that originally comes on the BMW to the bright white headlights. This has been something that's been bothering me immensely since I got this car. Like the ugly yellow headlights, I've been driving it like that because I never really knew a different way to add in these plug-and-play headlights. One, without getting error codes, and two, without cutting a hole into the plastic in the back. I didn't want to do any of that, so I just left it alone. But today, we're going to add the LED headlight in, and the goal of it is to see if it's error-free. If it's not, we're obviously going to make it error-free, but that's about it. So obviously, I have a halogen set up on my car, and if you want to know what that looks like, this is what it looks like right here. If you have a halogen set up on your car, your headlight will look exactly like this. Here we go. And this is the bulb that I decided to go with today. It's a regular direct replacement halogen headlight H7 bulb. So the point of today's video is we're not removing we're not removing the tire. We're not removing anything. We're just gonna go in from this angle right here. I turned the wheel all the way to the left, and we're just gonna go in through a little compartment right under there. That little door, we're gonna open it, swap the headlight in, and then that's it. All right, to start off, once you're in here, I use a quarter and I turn, I'm just gonna show you clearly. I turn this piece here and that piece over there. I use a quarter, something, or a little dollar like this, and I turn it to the left. So you're gonna turn it this way, to the left, going this way. And then this, now that I've loosened mine, this little thing is gonna come off. Yes, there's a lot of gunk on it and all that good stuff. But see, now we're kind of exposed to the light. This is the cover that we want to remove right here. And to do this, there's a clip up here. Just push it up, and you should be able to lift the cover out. Once I've officially pushed that up, which I just did, I'm gonna just grab this now, push that tab up, and then this should be able to come out. Be careful, because you do not want to drop it down in the wheel well, because then you're going to have to take off this whole entire plastic piece. Alright. Okay. So now you're going to see the light, and you're going to realize that there's a black plug on the light right here. So this little plug right there, you're just going to pull it straight back. It's going to come off. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. That black plug right there, I just pulled it straight back. Now it's disconnected, and then now there's gonna be another bracket. You're just gonna push it to either the left or the right, not too much, and then it should come off and drop down. Then you can remove the light. I'm gonna put the camera down because I can't set it down anywhere, and then I'll show you how afterwards. Okay, so with this situation right here, on the driver's side, this little tab, right, the little tab that's hanging down, you're gonna push it to the left, and then it's gonna drop down on its own. And then now you're able to remove the bulb, and now you can see clearly through the headlight. Now, I'm gonna just take the replacement bulb and put it back in, and then reverse the steps, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so the headlight is now put back together. Everything is back together. This door under here is back on. So now the only test is to see if we have an error code, and let's check that out right now. I also did the other side off camera because it's the same procedure for both sides. So let's just see if we get an error code. Let's just see if we get an error code. Do we? Okay, it's cold. Yeah, the 4x4. Yep, we got an error code. So now what's left to do is we're gonna remove that error code, okay? But in the meantime, let's just see how the lights look and see if we can tell the difference. I think it looks so, I don't know if it's super hard to tell, but these lights look so good. Nice and bright white. They look really, really good. They're very, very bright. So now we're just gonna get rid of the error code, okay? So to get rid of the error code, we are gonna use Carly. We're gonna use the Carly coder and scan tool. We're gonna code the car, and we're gonna remove the error code for the light. So let's go ahead and do that now. So to remove the error code for Carly, first thing you're gonna use is your Carly adapter, and you're gonna plug it here into your OBD2 port right there. Once it's in, put your hand right here, a little test. If you see the blue light flashing, that means you're ready to go. The second thing you're gonna need, the car needs to be on, and now you're gonna take your cell phone, okay? I have the Carly app on my phone, so now I'm just simply gonna connect from here. Okay, once you're officially connected to Carly, you're gonna click on the button that says Customizations to unlock and code hidden features. After it's finished checking the compatibility for coding, you're going to click the OK button, and then you're also going to click on the FRM button, which is for the light in the mirrors. You're going to read out the RFM, and once it's finished loading, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find the low beams, right and left warning. You're going to turn both of those off. After turning both of those off, you're going to scroll down some more until you see the low beams, voltage monitoring 1 of 2 and 2 of 2, and you're going to turn both of those off as well. After turning those off, you're going to click the Code Now button. You're going to check the box, and you're going to click Agreed Code Now again. Once it's finished loading, the lights will disappear, and all the codes for the low beams will go away after coding is complete and you restart your car. Now, I want you guys to really see like how well these lights work. The road is well illuminated. I can see everything very clearly, and not only does it look good, but it functions very well, and it makes everything super bright, so I can see the road clearly. These lights are definitely the best bang for your buck. They're less than $20, and you really can't go wrong. I'm gonna leave a description and a link below to the same lights that I got here, so if you want them, you can do the same thing. Remember, they're direct plug and play, and there's not gonna be any error codes because you're gonna code them out eventually anyway. So please remember, guys, it would mean a lot to me if you could like, subscribe, and share this video. The last video, you guys showed a lot of love, and I really appreciated it. Show love, man. It's free. Just like that, this video is effectively over. Remember, hit the bell notification also, and just like that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.